Good morning, kids! Wakey, wakey! Isa na namang fun and exciting adventure ang gagawin natin this morning. As in, matututo kayo while having fun.
Tama, ihirit yan ni na Sean at Erica sa Makati Elementary School. Sean, Erica, hirit bulilit na! Enjoy!
Good morning mga kapuso. Yes, another morning means another day to learn. Kaya naman tara na! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh! Oh! Hinahabol ka! Hinahabol ka! Hinahabol ka! Dito tayo! Dito tayo! Oh! 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 Oh!
Go!
Okay, okay, okay! Okay, okay, okay!
Not me!
Kalma, kalma! Hey! 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 Kita niyo naman, nag-e-enjoy na sila. Kaya naman, talaga pumunta kami dito sa Makati Elementary School. Kasi nga, sila ang pioneer sa special sciences dito sa elementary schools dito sa Makati. Yes, at marami kaming inhandang mga activities today. At kasama ko syempre si Erica para sa kanyang hirit mo, Lili.
Hello po! Good morning po mga kapusan! Good morning, Kuya Sean! Ang hirit bulilit ko po this morning ay Super Science! Kung saan marami tayong ma-experience dito sa Interactive Science Exhibit.
Wow, excited ka na?
Yes, bro. I'm super excited to learn more about science too and to grab
To know more, di ba?
To know more.
Kasi curious tayo,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
O, wag natin patagalin,
Yes,
papuntahan na natin ang una natin
Let's go!
exhibit. Pupunta tayo dito sa Space Dome. Let's go, let's go. Erica, ano bang matututunan natin dito sa Space
So
Dome?
we can learn about the galaxies and the planets, more about those.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go, let's go, let's go.
About
Thank you, Erica. Let's go inside. Ayan, ayan. Wow, kita niyo naman actually dito mga kapuso. Meron din silang mga simulations about galaxies, about other planets, and the universe in general. Pero tara, kamustahin naman natin yung ibang classmates natin, Erica. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kahit sino, kahit sino. Sino bang friend mo dito? Sino friend mo dito? Let's ask them how much they like it. Ito.
who wants to be out?
There, yun daw. Come on, let's talk to them, let's talk to them.
What's your name? What's your name? My name's What about you? Faith. Okay, so what was your favorite experience dito?
Masaya naman kasi, pero nakaka-learn din din, tapos may sigawan na yun. I like the illusion about everything.
Wow, okay.
Oh, so, nagustuhan niyo naman yung Space Dome natin ngayon?
Apo.
Ayun. Ako, parang hayaan muna natin sila mag-enjoy dito, no? Parang nakafocus sila eh.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Marami
Okay.
pa tayong hinihandang mga activities eh.
Thank you.
Aside dito sa Space Dome, mga kapuso,
Okay.
marami pa tayong inihandang mga activities para sa mga estudyante kasama natin dito. Ito, simulan na natin. Ito, actually parang nasubukan mo na to kanina, Erica, no? Kami, andito, come.
Oh,
Now
no.
here, we're in the body conductor. Bakit ba body conductor ang tawag dito, Erica?
Kasi dito po ay nagkakaroon po ng electricity from the rotor at ang tao po ang conductor ng electricity dahil mararamdaman po sila ng konting kuryente. Slightly.
Oh, sige nga, subukan natin.
Okay.
Pasubok rin daw si Erica. Okay lang ba? Okay, go.
Wait lang.
Ayan.
No, Kuya Sean, kasama ko.
Okay, kasama ako. Sige, kasama ako.
Sir, I'll hold your mic.
Thank you so much.
No, I'm scared.
Okay.
I tried this na! When I say headband! Okay, when I say headband, say hooray! Headband!
Hooray! Hooray! How was it? What did you feel?
It feels so weird kasi parang masakit din konti. Kasi,
Sakit lang konti, pero masaya naman.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the next one naman.
Pero may
Ito
feel
naman,
ako.
mga kapuso, ang tawag dito ay
Yes.
or the
Wow.
life-size buzz wire behind the dinosaur eh. Pero let's go, let's go. Let's subukan natin kung pwede tayo
Yeah.
makasingit doon. Tara, Erica, come on, subukan natin. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me, excuse me. Oh, careful, Erica, careful, careful. Ayan, atras lang ng saglit si dinosaur. Oh, so paano to, Erica? What are we gonna do
Ito
here?
po yung, I forgot what it's called, but
Yeah.
dapat,
But how does it work though?
this is the, you call this the,
Buzz wire.
the hoop one, and dapat hindi po siya natamaan. You're supposed to move it. Your goal is to move it hanggang sa dulo.
Move here, move here.
And
Dito ka,
you're
dito ka, so
not,
that you can show us.
and this hoop one, you're not supposed to touch it with the wire.
Okay,
But-
kasi
and
pag
if you
nag-touch-
touch it, there's a buzz sound. Like,
Okay, okay. Sige nga, you should try it nga. Show me how to do it nga. Okay, okay. Let me help you, let me help you. Ayan. Kahit hanggang dito lang, kahit hanggang dito lang. Sige nga, sige nga. Wow, focus na focus ha. Oh, up, up. Kahit hanggang dito lang, kahit hanggang dito lang. Okay, okay. Good job! Ayun, medyo nag-buzz ng konti, pero okay lang. You did it, you did it. Good
Yeah, I
catch.
did it.
Good job, good job.
earlier I didn't to hear eh.
Yeah, but it's kind of hard talaga
Yeah,
eh.
it's hard kasi yung circle, it's sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Pero eto, next tayo na marami pa kami mga activities na inihanda na ito at tuloy-tuloy lang ang pakikisaya namin kasama yung students dito. Kaya tumutok lang kayo sa morning show saan laging una ka.
Unang hirit!
Wait! Wait! Huwag mo munang i-close! Mag-subscribe ka muna sa GMA Public Affairs YouTube channel para lagi kang una sa mga latest kwento at balita. At syempre, i-follow mo na rin ang official social media pages ng Unang Hirit. Thank you!